So hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how we can optimize our Windows PC or Windows laptop for the better performance. I mean, like if many people we are facing the issue of like low end performance, or even if we have a decent graphics card like GTX 1080, GTX 1650, still we are facing lag issues, 10 FPS performance. Then even if we are running the Android Studio and also we are facing some issues. So let's see how we can solve that. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to head over to our control panel and we have to search for power option. So you can just search here power option. Okay, so here you can see there is an option which pop up here, edit power plan. So let's just hover over to it. So here you can see in the top here just click on this power option, and here you can see it is automatically set to balance. And for in your case there might be like it has been showing the three options, that is balance, then power saver, and then high performance. So in that just make sure to select balance, because that will be best for the Windows PC and the overall system can be better optimized. So now moving to the second, that is first what we have to do is we have to run the command, and that command will be sysdm.cpl. Now just click OK, and here we can see that we have came here. Now what we have to do is we have to go to system in production. No, go to advanced, then go to settings, and here you can see that here all the boxes are like ticked, so we don't have to tick all the boxes. And many of the things which load on your PC, I'll just tell you that all that. So this is the very first option, just make sure to untick all the options which I untick. So the first option is we have to untick it. Then second is animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, this also we will untick. Then animations in the taskbar, so basically we have to shut down all the animations, because animations are something which makes your PC bit laggy. Okay, now again fade, there is some fade, so remove these two as well, and all the fade, make sure to remove all the fade, so remove all the three, and then all the shadows and all. So here you can see this show shadows under window, this also needs to be removed. Okay, now just leave it as it is and click on apply. Let's wait for it. Okay, now just click on OK, and here also click on OK. So this is the second one. Now let's come to the third one. So third one is we have to disable the transparency. So first of all, go to the settings. Okay, and here in the personalization, here you can see personalization, just click on that and just go to colors. Okay, now in the colors, here you can just scroll down, and here you can see this transparency effect. Okay, so in this it is on, so just make sure to off it, because that is also a reason for your Windows to lag. Okay, now step which we are going to do is to turn on the automated window maintenance. So what we have to do is first we have to go to the system and security. Okay, basically control panel, and here we'll go to the system and security option, and here you can see security and maintenance, so just click on that, and here you will see the maintenance. Okay, so here you can see this start maintenance, right? So just click on this one and let's wait. So the Windows is basically maintaining our system, and if there is any issue then it will automatically fix it, and all the changes which we have done previously, it will rectify all the changes and help you to get a better system production. And the fifth step is to restart your computer. So just go here and click on restart. That's it. So this was all in this video. Thank you so much for watching.